Same thing here, Russ, put a little piece of fiberglass. Another one, Russ sandblasted it, put a little piece of fiberglass with resin, and finally on this piece as well. So hopefully all this will fix the panel for the box. This has been repaired and fixed before. This is the resin that I mixed, and now it's already hard. So tomorrow, I'll grind it, edge it out, the plastic, and then put chopped fiberglass compound over it on all these sections. And this will be just one more puzzle to the 6 to 9 cab that's already been repaired. We put 2 coats of base on it. As you recall, we replaced the floor. Had to cut out the excess panel for the shift in the 4x4. It did not come with the pre-hole, so I had to cut it all out.